thought about it, and I didn't grab an extra alternator and water pump belt before I went on a 300-mile trip. So I don't have one anywhere in the truck. I have other stuff, and I have a tow strap. And the O'Reilly is 14 miles away. So I'm going to see if I can fashion one out of this, melt it together with that, and see if that'll hold up at all, let alone for 14 miles, so I don't overheat. Let's see what happens. I have no tripod to hold my phone, so I'll get back to you when I melt this together and install it. That is indeed a belt. I'm going to indeed drive with that. Carefully. Okay, well, it's halfway charging the alternator, but not. And my main concern is going to be the temperature there. It says 12 volts. That's probably running on the battery, but I'm really more concerned about this water pump spinning. We'll see what happens here shortly. Alright, here's an update. I got 2 miles to go to the O'Reilly. It's still sitting at 12 volts. My temperature jumped up a little bit, but it came back down to acceptable. And the battery light got a little brighter. But I think we're okay for the moment. Might make it. Oh my God, I hope they're open. Oh, we made it. It survived. And that's what a real belt should look like. And I just used a lighter and a pair of pliers to put that one together. And it held up quite well. Alright, here's the post-fix start. And 2 hands here. Oh, it's charging again. Usually 14. Idles down. Take a minute. It'll get there. Yep, it'll get there. We're good. Good to go.